Bureau Meteorology WA continues to update their severe weather warning, and they have one for damaging winds and normally high tides and damaging surf for people in the lower west, southwest, south coastal, great southern parts of the central wheat belt district. Here's a look at the Perth Doppler wind radar, and still quite a bit of strong wind impacting the region. This follows on from what was shown yesterday. A strong to gale force westerly flow with an embedded cold front could produce damaging winds, damaging surf, and normally high tides in the southwest of the state until early this afternoon. The cold front lies near Perth to Albany at 5 AM local time, extending eastward across the south of the state during today. Widespread scattered showers, isolated thunderstorms, more hail likely with the passage of the front mainly about the coast, adjacent inland areas, and should weaken as the cold front moves further east. Damaging winds to 100 kilometres an hour could produce or let's say cause damage to homes, property possible southwest of Gippsland to Bremer Bay Tuesday morning. The threat of damaging winds gradually eases from the southwest from mid-morning as the front moves further east. Once again, I like the wording of their advisories. Damaging surf conditions continuing could cause beach erosion between Shark Bay and Albany throughout today, with conditions easing Wednesday morning. Tides will be higher than expected between Lettison, Albany, including the Perth metro area. And on the screen is a look at the area under the warning. Bureau Meteorology WA has a gale warning in place for the Perth local waters, the Lettison, Perth, Bunbury, Geography, Leeuwin, Albany, Esperance and Ikuda coasts. They also have a strong wind warning for the Pilbara and Geraldton coasts. The Bureau of Meteorology Victoria has a severe weather warning for damaging winds, heavy rainfall issued at 10:34 local time for the central east Gippsland, the Mallee, the southwest, northern country, north central, northeast, the west and south Gippsland and the Wimmera forecast district. Cold front brings strong winds and rain to Victoria on Wednesday. Rain band with associated strong winds moving across Victoria during Wednesday. Damaging winds averaging 60 to 70 kilometres an hour with peak gusts of around 100 kilometres an hour, possible mainly in elevated areas in the rest of the state from early Wednesday morning. Wind gusts increasing 110 kilometres an hour, again mainly in elevated areas in central Victoria, and up to 120 kilometres an hour about the northeast Alps during Wednesday morning. Lesser chance of winds gusts to 100 kilometres in areas less than 1200 metres. Winds are expected to gradually ease from the west during Wednesday afternoon. Thunderstorms, heavy rainfall may lead to flash flooding, possible early Wednesday morning in the southern Mallee and Wimmera. Locations which may be affected include Horsham, Warrnambool, Bendigo, Shepparton, Seymour, Maryborough, Ballarat, Geelong, Melbourne, Wodonga, Wangaratta, Trewalongong, I haven't pronounced that one right, and Barnsdale. BI Meteorology has a strong wind warning in place for the Port Phillip Bay, West and Central Coast. They've cancelled one for the East Gippsland coast. And finally, in this update, we have a look at the wind probability GFS model. This is from 7 AM through to 1300 hours Wednesday. Again, you can see where the action is going to be. And another cold front to impact Tasmania and also Victoria. There's only a local marine warning in place down there in Tasmania at this point in time.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, with you at any time. You can also find our YouTube page if you're not there already, subscribed hopefully, and you can also follow our Facebook page, search Force 13 all in text. Videos are now there as well, and you can follow us on Twitter at Force 13 is our handle, and it's hashtag F13Sulik if you'd like to draw our attention to anything in future live events or whatnot. You can also help the project become even better by becoming a patron with its various rewards that come with that feature as well. And you can add me personally, Fool13 at extension 9094 on Discord, and Force13 on Skype for tropical weather chat.